Hey there! Today I have a Stitchfix to unbox. So if you're not familiar with Stitchfix, it is an online styling service, and I've been doing Stitchfix for quite a while now, and I really do like it, and it is one of my favorite of the style services, and I do a bunch. But Stitchfix, it's the biggest, and I think they do have the most inventory, and also they have excellent stylists. So I've been very fortunate to have a really good stylist that I've been paired with, Holly, and she's been my stylist for, I would say, maybe a year and a half now. But anyway, feels like it's been a while since I've done one of these. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so here's what my box looks like inside. And you get a prepaid mailer to send anything you don't want back. You get a packet of information. And here's my bundle. Looks pretty good, yeah. So with Stitchfix, you always get a note from your stylist, and as always, my stylist is Holly, and yay. And you also get style cards that show you actually how to style everything that they send you. So that's really nice, and that's one thing that Stitchfix does that none of the other styling services do. I do actually really use the style cards, you know, when I try to figure out my outfits, so I think they're really helpful. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and read the note, and I'm going to scan it and put it up above so you guys can read it too. But I'm going to go ahead and read it. Okay, so it sounds like Holly was able to get the things that I requested, because I did request some red skinny jeans, which I don't have, and I've been kind of into red. So let's see. I also got some red pants, I think from my Amazon Prime wardrobe, but let's see how these skinny jeans are. She said that they are kind of pushing my budget, so they were kind of expensive. But yeah, let's see what she got me. Okay, so it looks like I got some jewelry this time. So let's go ahead and we'll open this first. So you see, Stitchfix jewelry always comes in a very nice looking box. Ooh. Here we go. Some earrings. And these actually are really nice. They're not too huge. I think this is the second time she sent me these kind of round earrings, but I kind of like these. Yeah, so they're by MARLYN SCHIFF, and they are the Delilah round crystal earrings in silver. So they have crystal, very pretty. I typically wear stud earrings though, but we'll see. And yeah, these are $28. So not bad, and you know, they do seem like some really nice earrings. So we'll see. Okay, next, I got this top. And this is by 818. And it's the Maxwell tie front knit top. Oh, so it's knit, and it's a size medium. Just seems like a very basic top. I like that it's knit, and hopefully that means it doesn't wrinkle. And it has tab sleeves. It's just button front. Oh, and it has like a tie front. So yeah, just a very casual basic. I think I saw Kelly Schaffner. I'm pretty sure she got this in her Stitchfix, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, this is kind of a nice basic, so we'll see. Okay, next. Oh, this is the dress that she mentioned. It's very pretty, yellow and gold. It's Pinnacle colors. Yeah. Market in Spruce, size medium petite. It's not a knit material. This is actually, it feels like rayon, and it's lined, so it has like a polyester feeling shell. Kind of interesting. Look at the detail in the front. It's got like a crochet detail, and it has these kind of sleeves with the elastic. Yeah, cute. Very cute. So this is the Prim crochet trim dress, medium petite, and this one is $74. Ooh, so this is a little bit on the pricey side, and I don't know if this feels almost like a dry clean only. Let's check. Oh no, it's a machine washable. It is rayon though, rayon with polyester lining. So yeah, very nice, different. And next we have this top. Okay, this is a dolman sleeve top, and she said beige is going to be in. So it's beige with a green, kind of a sage green trim, and it's kind of a waffle knit, so it's very lightweight. It's by ELLY, and it's the Marianne waffle knit top in beige, size medium. Let's see how much it is. $42. So $42. You know, I really don't have anything with this kind of dolman sleeve, but we'll see. She said beige is going to be in. Interesting. Beige for spring. Okay, and lastly are the jeans. And yes, these are red jeans, and these are really red. Okay. They are more expensive, she said. They're by Parker Smith, which I don't think I've heard of. And it's the Ava Capri skinny jean, size 6. And these are, ooh, a whopping $128. Okay. Yeah, so they're a little bit pricey, but I don't know, these, they feel stretchy, and they do feel high quality, like she said. They're a little heavier, heavier material. So yeah, very nice. It's red. It seems a little bit like washed somehow, you know, not like super screaming bright red, although maybe on the camera it kind of comes across that way. So yeah, very nice. We'll have to see. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Stitchfix box this month. A lot of different things, and it's amazing how she always sends me, or usually sends me, things that I don't have in my wardrobe. So I don't know, because I do a lot of shopping elsewhere, but somehow she knows. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here's the first top, and I think it's very nice. It's just kind of a good basic, not like super exciting, but yeah, just very nice. And you'll see it has tab sleeves, it's button front, and you're supposed to tie it, so I did. And yeah, it's very comfortable. I think it's just a good basic to have. And according to the style card, I paired it with a denim skirt, and this is just a skirt I actually picked up on Poshmark. It's a little big, it's from Old Navy, but yeah, it was very inexpensive. And then let's just go with she has it with kind of a crossbody. Okay, so there you go. Styled according to the style card with denim skirt, crossbody purse, and just some strappy sandals, and these are from Kohan. But yeah, I think this is a very cute top. Okay, so here is the dress, and this is by Market and Spruce. And wow, this is really nice. I do really like it, but I do think for me it's a little on the short side. But it is really nice. I mean, I think, you know, if it maybe wasn't a petite, I think it's a petite, maybe it would be better. But yeah, here's the detail in the front. It's really pretty. And the sleeves are like this, and it's got an elastic waist. Oh yeah, this is just a really nice dress. I do like the combination of colors, cute. And then in the style card, she has it with a denim jacket. Surprise, surprise. Yeah, I think all floral dresses seem to go with denim jackets. Okay, and here is the dress styled according to the style card with a dark denim jacket. And yeah, I think that looks really nice, to be honest. Yeah. Okay, and here is that waffle knit top. And this was a size medium, so I think it's a little on the big side. I'm pretty sure it's oversized, but I think this is too oversized because the sleeves do feel too big. Yeah, because I like to push my sleeves up, and these don't stay up. But it is very cute. I actually like this top, so maybe I might consider seeing if I can get a smaller size. But according to the style card, I got it paired with these olive colored pants, and these are by Vigos. And I just have some white sneakers. Can't remember where I got these from, Macy's I think. And then, because why not, I added this necklace. This is a Stella and Dot. Okay, so I think this does look pretty cool. I like this top. It's just a little big, but yeah. Okay, and here are the red pants, or skinny jeans. And they are, I think they are nice. I don't know though. Yeah, I think it's, you know, for $128, that's kind of high for something that I'm not sure if I'll wear it that often. I did want them, but I don't know. But they are kind of nice. Definitely, I think they are high quality. But yeah, not sure. And I did try styling it according to the style card. I didn't have like a striped sweater, although that sweater in the style card looks really nice. I might have to go look for one. I checked my closet and also my two daughters' closets because they're away at college. Couldn't find anything similar. So I found this striped tank top that I got from Trendset. So got that and this medium washed cut from the cloth denim jacket to complete the look. And did a front tuck, but I think, I'm not sure about the front tuck actually. So here you go. So yeah, and oh, also I'm starting to fade here. The earrings are really cute. Actually, I like these. They're not too big, but they kind of like, they add something. So I would say these are probably a win because I don't have earrings like this. And yeah, so this is the final look. Okay, so I tried everything on and you know, I thought this was actually, it was a good fix. I wouldn't say it was like a total home run, but I mean, there were some items that I thought were really nice. And I really did like the way Holly styled everything in the style cards. When I go to the style cards, it always gives me some ideas of how I can style things. And a lot of times it's in ways that I wouldn't have thought of on my own. So that's always nice. But anyway, let's go ahead and we'll go over the invoice. Okay, so this is fix number 25 for me, which is a lot, yeah. And the total for all 5 items is $310. And if I were to buy all 5, I'd get 25% off, which would be $77.50 off. And the order subtotal would be $232.50. But I have some credit, and that's thanks to you guys. So last month, 3 of you signed up using my referral link. So I do have some $75 credit. So anytime one of you sign up using my referral link, or anyone else's for that matter, you get a $25 credit, and also the person who refers you gets a $25 credit. So, you know, I do think it is a really good deal for trying Stitch Fix risk-free for the first time, because basically that $25 credit pretty much covers your styling fee and then a little bit extra. And then also you can apply it to whatever you purchase. But anyway, I just want to quickly thank Christina L, Noor B, and Auntie W. Thank you so much for using my referral link. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, so with the credit, my total for the box would be $157.50. So that is actually not a bad price for all 5 items. But to be honest, I don't think I'll be keeping all 5 items for this fix. So yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm going to be keeping right now. I really did like actually these earrings, but I realized after trying them on that I actually do have a pair of earrings that's very, very similar. So I'm kind of debating. I mean, it's not exactly like these. You know, these are very pretty and sparkly, but really, really close. So yeah, I probably won't be keeping these, but we'll see. And this dress from Market and Spruce, I mean, I do think it's really nice, and in the try-on, you know, with the denim jacket, totally looked like something I would wear, to be honest. But, you know, I just thought, you know, it is a little short and a little pricey too. This top, you know, I actually kind of like this top. I think it's a nice basic. I'm kind of into basics now. So we'll see. It was just a very comfortable, easy to wear shirt, and it's a button front, but it's a knit material. So I thought that was kind of different. So I think I might actually keep this one. It's a nice casual top. The beige. You know, I thought this was really nice, but you know, it was a little bit big, and you know, $42 for this t-shirt top I thought was a little bit high, to be honest. But it is good to know. Holly mentioned that beige is going to be in this year, so I'll be on the lookout for more beige items. Thanks for the tip, Holly. And lastly, these red jeans. You know, I can tell these are high quality jeans just based on, you know, the feel of the fabric. And they looked, I thought they looked good. They were actually a little bit, when I looked at my, when I was editing, they looked a little big actually. And you know, I did have another pair of red pants that I got from Amazon that I kind of like too. Those were maybe a little bit of a better fit and price because these were very pricey. But I thought they were nice, and if somebody is looking for some high quality red jeans, you know, this might be a nice one to request. Okay, so that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And here's Kaya. Yeah, cutie. I'm having so much trouble talking today. This is like, I don't know how many takes I've had. Sorry about that. But anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and I'm gonna, after I film this, I'm gonna go ahead and film, I have another Walmart haul. More stuff from Ellen, and a new line from Sofia Vergara. We're gonna check it out. But yeah, so if you enjoy watching this kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Say bye. Yeah.